For the first time, astronomers have identified unusually high concentrations of methanol in an interstellar comet known as 3 Atlas, which originated around a different star and has been journeying through space for hundreds of millions of years. Recent observations made by ALMA reveal a chemical profile that is unlike any comets we've encountered in our own solar system. In this video, we'll delve into the discoveries made by scientists, the significance of these findings, and what they reveal about the chemistry present in other star systems. Let's dive in. As soon as astronomers confirmed 3 Atlas's trajectory as originating from outside our solar system, they commenced observations. Its high-speed and open hyperbolic orbit indicated that it was not gravitationally bound to our Sun, placing it in the exceptionally rare category of interstellar objects. Right from the beginning, 3 Atlas exhibited behavior that differed from the comets typically seen. It emitted gas sooner and at greater distances from the Sun than anticipated, suggesting that its surface had been dormant for an extended period before it entered our region of space. To analyze the comet's chemical makeup, researchers employed the Atacama Large Millimeter Jaunt Submillimeter Array, one of the most sensitive tools for detecting molecules in the cosmos. By examining the light spectrum from the comet's coma, the team discovered 2 surprising features: significant signals of hydrogen cyanide near the nucleus and a notably higher presence of methanol distributed throughout the surrounding gas cloud. This immediately garnered attention, as while methanol is found in comets within our solar system, such high concentrations are rare. In the case of 3 Atlas, methanol accounts for a much larger percentage of the vapor being released, far exceeding the levels typically observed in comets that have formed closer to the Sun. Moreover, the distribution of these molecules is different. Instead of being released exclusively from the nucleus, methanol appears to be generated or released over a broader area within the coma. This points to secondary processes, such as the fragmentation of icy grains or chemical reactions induced by sunlight interacting with the materials surrounding the comet. Another intriguing observation involves the different behaviors of methanol and hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide appears to be closely tied to the solid nucleus, sublimating directly from its surface as the comet warms. In contrast, methanol shows a more extensive emission pattern, suggesting it may exist in various forms, either frozen within different layers of the comet, embedded in dust particles, or formed via reactions as the coma changes. This disparity in behavior strongly indicates that the comet's internal structure possesses a varied composition. Beyond spectroscopy, earlier observations have indicated that the comet's reflected light exhibits a slightly redder hue compared to typical comets from our solar system. This reddish coloration reinforces the notion that the surface chemistry of the comet has been influenced by differing environmental conditions, either during its formation or throughout its lengthy exposure to interstellar radiation. Collectively, these findings present a compelling narrative. 3 Atlas is a chemically unique object that carries a combination of materials likely formed under significantly different conditions than those present in the early solar system. For scientists, this comet provides a valuable opportunity to explore the chemical diversity of environments conducive to planet formation throughout the galaxy. The significance of methanol lies not only in its high abundance, but also in its implications for chemical evolution. As a simple organic molecule, methanol occupies a pivotal role in pathways that lead to more complex chemistry. In laboratory settings and astrophysical models, methanol frequently serves as an intermediate stage in producing an array of carbon-based compounds. Consequently, its presence in an interstellar comet is crucial for understanding how organic chemistry develops in environments far from the Sun. The unusual levels of methanol found in 3 Atlas suggest several potential formation scenarios. One possibility is that the comet originated from an area in its home star system that was rich in carbon monoxide and other volatile ices. Under cold conditions, these ices can effectively react on grain surfaces to yield methanol. Thus, If 3 Atlas formed in such an environment, it would naturally contain higher methanol levels compared to comets from our solar system, which were formed under distinct temperature and radiation conditions. Another hypothesis posits that the comet could contain substantial amounts of iron-bearing minerals, with some researchers proposing that water reacting with such minerals under heat could lead to methanol production as a byproduct. Should this process have occurred in the early history of 3 Atlas, it might elucidate both the presence and distribution of methanol within the coma, suggesting that its interior incorporates a combination of metals and ices not typically found together in solar system comets, further highlighting the diversity of planetary systems. The behavior of the comet aligns with theories regarding long-term interstellar processing as well. A comet traversing through interstellar space for millions or billions of years encounters cosmic rays that may gradually alter its outer layers. These processed layers might react differently to heating, resulting in the release of specific molecules more readily or breaking down into new compounds. This could explain why the comet began outgassing earlier than anticipated and why methanol seems to be distributed throughout the coma rather than being concentrated around the nucleus. These scientific interpretations converge on a common message. 3 Atlas is chemically distinct due to its formation under conditions that differ significantly from those of our solar system. Its internal structure, molecular makeup, and outgassing behavior provide valuable insights into the range of materials that can form in other planetary systems. Detecting abundant methanol in an interstellar comet expands our grasp of organic chemistry beyond our solar system. Although methanol itself is not a biological molecule, it constitutes a building block for more complex chemistry. Its presence indicates that pathways leading to molecular complexity may unfold in environments far removed from Earth, reinforcing the notion that chemically rich materials could be widespread across the galaxy. This doesn't imply the existence of life, but it does bolster the hypothesis that fundamental chemical ingredients essential for complex organic processes might be common. Furthermore, the uniqueness of 3 Atlas challenges existing assumptions about comet chemistry. Much of our knowledge about comets stems from those formed in our local vicinity. Interstellar comets present researchers with a rare chance to verify if the patterns observed here extend to other regions. The composition of 3 Atlas suggests that planetary systems throughout the galaxy may possess a considerably wider range of chemical environments than previously realized, which influences our understanding of comet formation and the early stages of planet formation, where ices and dust grains serve as foundational materials. From a research perspective, this comet underscores the necessity for ongoing monitoring of interstellar objects. Each one that traverses our solar system offers only a brief opportunity for observation. As long as 3 Atlas remains visible, astronomers will utilize radio, optical, and infrared instruments to track the evolution of its chemical profile. This will help ascertain whether its methanol-rich composition remains stable or varies under solar heating. The discovery also reignites discussions regarding potential missions aimed at intercepting or studying interstellar comets directly. While challenging, such missions could capture samples untouched by the processes shaping solar system bodies. Sampling an interstellar comet would yield unprecedented insights into materials crafted in the protostellar disk of another star, an unmatched scientific opportunity relative to any current mission. Ultimately, 3 Atlas serves as a reminder that our solar system is not a chemically representative microcosm of everything in the galaxy. Interstellar visitors carry records of environments inaccessible to direct observation, contributing new layers to our understanding of how planetary systems form, evolve, and produce the ingredients that may eventually lead to complex chemistry elsewhere. 3 Atlas illuminates chemistry shaped far beyond our solar neighborhood, with its methanol-rich signature upending our expectations for comets. Each interstellar visitor enriches our understanding of planetary diversity,